Okay, so here's a problem where you can see we have a tangent and we have a radius and we have another segment, RS here. So we are asked in this particular problem to find the radius of the circle. They did tell us a couple things. They told us T is a point of tangency, and you know that S is the center of the circle. So the radius would be here. There are actually two radii. TS is a radius and SY is a radius. Okay, they told us TR is 80. Whoops, sorry. And we also know this part, YR, is 64. And we're asked to find the radius. And again, remember the radius is from the center out. So this we'll call X and this would be X. Because we know that T is a point of tangency and it's connecting to a radius, this is a right angle. So to solve this problem, all we're doing is Pythagorean theorem. We're saying leg squared plus leg squared equals the hypotenuse, which would be X plus 64. This whole thing, would be if you added them together. And we'd have to square it. All right, this is just algebra now. You have X squared plus 6,400. Here you'll have to write this twice. And do a little double distributing. You get X squared, 64X, another 64X, so that would be 128X. And I have to look for that one, is 4,096. Sorry, I'm a little cramped for space here. All right, so we're just going to clean this up a little bit. If we move all of our x's to one side, they actually drop off if I subtract x squared, so they're gone. If I subtract 4,096 from both sides, I get 2,304, and that would equal the 128x. Then I just do a little division here, and I'm going to get 18 is equal to x, and it was, the label was in feet, so if we are good people, and we were asked to find the radius, so the radius is 18 feet. Okay, just using Pythagorean theorem. That's all we're doing here, is using Pythagorean theorem and understanding that this is a radius and this is a radius, so they have the same measure.